Good evening, everyone. Hope you are all well this evening. So this is a tour video of my Dewalt drill. I don't really use it very often. So you can see the light. Yeah, so I actually got given this by one of my best mates in the world. He's a really good mate. So yeah, he's got like particles all over it, but there's the battery for it. Yeah, there's the battery for it. And there's the drill. It's quite a heavy one as well. Yeah, so obviously my mate's a home improvement guy, drainage guy. So yeah, he's a really good mate to me, his drill. But yeah, you'll probably see in a video coming up. In my kitchen, I'll use this because I haven't properly used it yet. So yeah, see, it's got the light, it's got the speed, you've got the chuck in there. You've got the chuck in there as well. You can see that moving back and forth. So yeah, that's the tour review video, I guess. So Ray, if you're watching this, thanks for the drill, mate. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good evening.